Well, definitely our pack. That's what we, pride ourselves in. We run together. It's not really a ton of front runners. It's just all of us working together as a team. And also we, on every meet, especially like sectionals and regionals where we have those really long winning streaks, we try to remember the girls in the years before us, because those are the ones that have gotten us like the 9th and 10th, and then now we continue it with like the 11th regional win. And so just remembering those girls and keeping up with our pack is definitely something we try to work on.
Yeah, what do those streaks kind of mean to you? Because I know you don't want to be the team where the streak stops.
It's a lot of pressure, but it's like a good kind of pressure, because you want to make those girls proud because they come back and you want to be able to say, like, I continued something that you started, something that's really great and a big deal.
As far as this team goes, talk about the fact that you guys have no seniors on varsity. So you have experience in big races, but perhaps even the best of this team is still yet to come.
Yeah, like next year we have so much potential because we're all still learning, and every race we get a little bit smarter and a little bit better at running together. And so I think next year we have a lot of potential to do great things. Not that we're not doing great things this year, but even greater, I'd say.
Final question, talk about New Haven, the semi-state coming up this weekend. What's really going to be the key for Carroll to have the success that you've had in recent meets, again on a bigger level at semi-state?
Well, the pack is always good at big meets. That's our strong point, is big meets, because at big meets you don't really need a front runner. It's just the pack is what you really need to focus on. And so if we just run together and run for each other, then I think we'll be good at semi-state.